Before we begin, make sure you have an overhead arm support and straps. We offer some soft straps. These help provide a gentle reminder to the patient to keep their hands in place throughout the procedure. The straps can be inserted in either of these two slots. When inserting the strap, ensure that the smooth flat side is facing the arm. Pull it all the way through until it clicks. Pull it around and slide it through the slot to lock it. We provide several locations for the straps. It is up to the clinician to decide which location is suitable for this procedure.